The great thing about working as a photographer with Aurora and on board the ship is the number of different things we do to sort of keep people engaged with the photography side of things. We do lectures about photography, settings and all those sort of things. I run a Zodiac where we ask people if they want to sign up to come out on the photography Zodiac. One of the other things I love doing from a photography point of view is the Q&A sessions we have up in the bar. We get a whole bunch of people up there and it's a great way to bounce ideas off each other. It's a great way to prepare for the following day, tell people, okay, we're going to this area, there might be a lot of whales, so this is the sort of settings and lenses and everything you might need to shoot whales breaching or feeding or doing those sort of things. One of the other things I tell people they must do, or they should do if they want to get beautiful photos, is to stop and watch. Often there's so much to take in that you want to see everything, so you want to go here and there. But when you do have a bit of time, you can sit and watch, and that's usually when you see something beautiful, like some of the most amazing sunrises and sunsets I've seen on the planet. When there's no wind down there, it's flat. Icebergs everywhere, and these reflections in the water of this, these iceberg graveyards. It's phenomenal. It's a really engaging way to sort of come together as a group